Hola clase, estoy aquí con ustedes otra vez. If you don't know what I said, ask me in class or figure it out. Anyway, the title, sé, the Spanish word sé. As with all lessons, please call me with questions. The Spanish word sé has many uses and meanings. We are accustomed to hearing it used as sí se puede, sí se puede, or like this, se habla español. You see it in the store or right after they talk about selling cars, se habla español. So we've been interpreting sí se puede as meaning yes I can. Well, no, it doesn't. It really means yes, one can. And yes, you are one, and so is everybody else. So you can use it as yes, I can. It means yes, one can. So in English, one is for any and every one. So, therefore, se habla español. This phrase is intended to mean in English, one speaks Spanish. Or rather, someone speaks Spanish. With that, we can move further into the uses of the word sé. So we see that sé is referring to someone or anyone. So now let's look at sé in a different way. For example, if a person takes a bath, then in Spanish it is worded like this: bañarse. Bañar means to bathe. Se, what would that mean? One. But when it's connected to a verb, this verb is bañar, to bathe, and this word is se, which means, in this case, oneself. So it's reflexive. When se is attached to an infinitive verb, that makes the verb reflexive. So what does reflexive mean? Reflexive is sort of like you look in the mirror, or one looks in the mirror and he sees his own self reflected back. So that's what se does connected to a verb. It means whatever this verb is doing, that person is doing it to itself. Or they'll say se baña, just like se habla, just like se puede. See, we already saw se puede and we saw se habla. Now we're seeing se baña. So this is one bathes. All right, meaning in English, bañarse o se baña is one bathes oneself. So now we can continue to interpret the same as always. In other words, we can say, si se puede means yes, I can. You can say that, but it doesn't mean I, does it? So we can use it the same way as we've been using it, but now we know the actual meaning and uses of the word, the Spanish word sé. So practice that and call me with any questions.